What's up, course heroes? Welcome to yet another video. This is your boy Amit, and today we are talking about pricing plan changes to Teachable's free plan and what are the alternatives. I have one solid alternative we're going to go over. We're going to look at what are those changes in the Teachable free plan and how can you continue to sell courses for free without paying a single penny. So with that, let's get started. All right, so I am inside my email, and this is the email I received from Teachable, as you can see, on April 17th, 2023. It says beginning June 1st, your free plan will be limited to 10 students only. Additionally, you won't be able to connect to these integrations. If you have more than 10 students, you either have to upgrade or you are out of luck, which kind of sucks, but that's the direction Teachable is going with. Now let's take a look at what's included in their not so generous free plan. All right, so before I show you a very generous free alternative platform, let me show you what is included and what's not included in the Teachable free plan. The first and foremost and the biggest deal breaker for me is just the ability to have only 10 students on the free plan. And so this becomes truly like a test plan more than anything else, because you can't do anything with just 10 students, or you would just have to keep cloning your course and keep adding 10 students. Now, here's how they have circumvented that. You can only have one published course, so no more than one published course, which means you'll have to create a new Teachable school every time you want to add more students, and that can get out of control. And I'm sure after a while you'll run out of emails or phone numbers to authenticate and they'll block you. So there's definitely no workarounds. If you are on the Teachable free plan, you either have to upgrade or you're stuck with that 10 student limit, and anyone above that will be unenrolled. You can publish one course, one digital product, and one coaching product, and then you can have up to 10 published videos. So 10 videos is typically not even a full course. To me, this has become more like a validate your idea kind of platform versus a platform that will allow you to continue to sell. And then when you're ready to take that leap to the paid plan, you should be easily able to do that. I don't think Teachable is good for any of that with what they have done here. I understand they're a SaaS platform, they need to make money, but it doesn't cost them anything extra to let you host those students. Maybe a few dollars here and there in infrastructure cost, but I'm pretty sure they're recovering that with that 10% fee on every sale plus a dollar. So if your course sells for $100, they're going to make that $10 for each course you sell. Regardless, this is what us course creators are right now stuck with. So I'm going to show you what is a really great alternative that I've been with for over 3 years and how you can move to that platform. But before we get to that, a few other things. What's included, I've highlighted that in green. So you do have student management, course design templates, lecture comments, and then basic quizzes. And then anything that's not included is listed here. I don't know what Teachable Pay is. Tax handling is included, student referrals are included, so that's really still a good thing. And then a few other things is you do get email support and then CSS snippets. So if you want to add extra styling, you can use CSS, and CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. So that is included. And that's pretty much the extent of it. So what I have been using for the past, I think 4 years now, is new Zenler. Now I'm on the paid plan, which is also very inexpensive compared to Teachable. I'm going to show you the pricing for each of those in a minute. But before I get to the pricing, let's just compare apples to apples on the free plan. As you can see, they also charge a 10% transaction fee. So there's nothing different there, but that's only if you're on the free plan. If you move to the paid plan, that transaction fee drops. Now Teachable also drops the transaction fee, but not on their basic. You have to go on the pro plan. And there is a tiny little catch there. Even on the pro plan, they drop the transaction fees, but there's something called the back office fees. And those back office fees you still have to pay even on the pro plan if you want to enable PayPal. So they've kind of built a moat around PayPal and said, hey, if you want to accept PayPal payments, you have to enable back office. And if you enable back office, there's a 2% back office fee. I call it bullshit fees. They call it back office fees. So just keep that in mind. You get to publish unlimited courses with New Zenler, with unlimited videos and unlimited students. That right there is the biggest selling point for me, is I can keep testing my courses, and if I'm not making enough money, I don't need to go on the pro plan till I test it out. Now, given if you are making a ton of money, Zenler is at $67 a month. So if you're not making more than $67 a month, then by all means keep the free plan. But if you are over that limit, then you want to save that 10% transaction fees and get to their pro plan. This is all the other stuff that's included with Zenler that is not included with Teachable. And you can see there's a lot that is included, including email marketing. You can send up to 1,000 emails a month from within the Zenler platform before you're asked to upgrade. So all of this is included. Upsells are included. Order bumps are not, but you do get upsells. So you can kind of circumvent the order bump by adding that upsell. That's another cool thing. And then you also have email support. You do get access to a private community, which is their Facebook group. So that's also included. And then for integrations, they've included Stripe. So you can continue to collect money through Stripe. But if you want to also collect through Razorpay or PayPal, you have to get in on their paid plan. Now let's take a look at what that Teachable basic paid plan looks like compared to New Zenler. So on my left is Teachable and on the right side is Zenler. And you can see, let me actually switch this to the monthly plan. Teachable's basic plan is $59 a month. Zenler is 67 a month, with 0% transaction fees for Zenler and 5% transaction fee for Teachable. So that in itself, to me, is a deal breaker, because if I'm paying someone $50 to $60 a month, why should I have to pay transaction fees on top of that? So that's something to keep in mind. Now, even on their basic plan, which is $59 a month, you get only 5 published courses and no more than that. Whereas on Zenler, it's always unlimited, regardless of whether you're on the free plan, the pro plan, or the premium plan. It's unlimited courses and unlimited students. So just something to keep in mind. On the Teachable plan, you have custom domains. On Zenler, on top of custom domains, you get 3 separate sites. So essentially 3 separate schools with completely unique logins. So you're getting 3 schools for the price of 1. And that is the biggest feature in my mind. You get live group coaching here. You also get that with Zenler. You get 5 different kinds of live Zoom integrations, which is classes, webinars, interactive webinars, streaming, and then they recently added one-on-one booking, so you can ditch your Calendly subscription. Other than that, all this other advanced stuff is included in New Zenler. You can see here you get 2 admins. With Zenler, you get 10 admins. So there is a ton of features, functionality in New Zenler that Teachable just cannot match, even at their $60 a month plan with 5% transaction fees. So that's the big difference between New Zenler and Teachable pricing. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the show notes for a free course that you can enroll in. That's my course on New Zenler. It's a step-by-step course on how to use New Zenler. You don't have to go through the course. I would suggest just enroll in the free course, take it for a spin so you get to see the student experience, how it can be customized, and then make an educated decision. On top of that, there are a ton of bonuses that are included should you upgrade to a paid version for New Zenler through my affiliate link. Completely optional, doesn't cost you anything more, and helps me keep this channel running. So if you do end up upgrading to the pro plan, I would recommend that you consider using my link. And I definitely think Zenler is the platform to go with compared to Teachable that has pretty much handicapped us with their free plan. There you have it, course heroes. With new Zenler, you can continue to sell courses for free, and once you upgrade to the pro plan, that transaction fees drops, so all that money is yours. All you have to do is pay the gateway fees, which is Stripe or PayPal. That doesn't go away no matter what platform you choose. And as always, check the links in the description. I have your bonuses ready for you should you upgrade to the paid plan. But for now, take it for a test drive. Let me know what you think. And until next time, keep creating.